everyone, Brian Ramen Adventures here with a big announcement. You might have picked up my old book, Brian's Guide to 50 Ramen Shops, still available, link in the description. But did you know about my latest book, Ramen at Home? The easy Japanese cookbook for classic ramen and bold new flavors. That's right, I've written a ramen cookbook. It's a collection of 100 different recipes, spanning all different kinds of ramen, side dishes, toppings, soups, tares, basically everything you need to know to make ramen in the comfort of your own home. Ramen at Home is set up into 10 chapters. The first chapter breaks down what it takes to stock your pantry with ingredients and tools for ramen at home. Next are the basic soups and tares that make up the different styles of ramen. An entire chapter is dedicated to homemade noodles. Of course, toppings get their own chapter, from seasoned eggs to chashu to different kinds of oil. The 4 basic styles each get a chapter. Shio ramen, made from a salt base. Shoyu ramen using soy sauce. Miso ramen, creamy pork bone tonkotsu. I also include a section about other styles. Cold tomato ramen, shrimp dipping noodles, and spicy soupless tantan men are among the recipes. The last chapter has some side dishes to round out the menu. I'm really happy to have this cookbook out, and it joins the ranks of other amazing ramen cookbooks. Other ramen cookbooks that I love, Simply Ramen by my friend Amy, and Ivan Ramen by Ivan. Simply Ramen by Amy Kimoto-kan is another amazing book for the home cook. Whoa, look who likes it. Ivan's book, Ivan Ramen, is half his story and half one giant ramen recipe. Awesome cookbooks, each one amazing in its own right, but hey, why not get them all? Ramen at Home is available on Amazon Japan and in many major booksellers. Yeah, and if you make a bowl of ramen out of this book, please let me know, tag me on Instagram, send me a message. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you. Oh. Hey, thanks for watching everyone, and thanks to everyone who picked up my book, Ramen at Home. It's been out about a year now, but hey, it's not too late. Get it for Christmas. Thanks to everyone who bought this, especially on Amazon, where you left a lot of comments. Hey, if you want to see what I have to say about those comments, I've got an exclusive Patreon-only video, so if you're a Patreon member, hit that up. I'm going to comment on all my 1-star reviews, there's only a couple, and some of my 5-star reviews, more than a couple. Thank you.